In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for new hire onboarding. Whether you're part of a small startup or a large corporation, effectively managing the onboarding process is crucial. It sets the tone for your new hires and ensures they have everything they need to get started successfully. ClickUp can streamline this process, making it organized and efficient. Let's dive into how you can leverage ClickUp to enhance your onboarding procedures. To kick things off, you'll want to add a template to your ClickUp workspace. A template serves as a foundation and provides structure to your onboarding process. Begin by navigating to the Templates area within your ClickUp workspace. Here, you'll find a variety of options designed to cater to different needs. For onboarding, you could either use the Employee Onboarding template or the Checklist template, depending on your preference or specific requirements. The Employee Onboarding template will often be more comprehensive, offering a detailed breakdown of tasks and timelines, while the Checklist template might be slightly simpler, focusing on key deliverables. Once you've chosen a template, apply it to your workspace. This will automatically populate your space with tasks and lists specifically tailored for onboarding purposes. Now that the template is in your workspace, it's time to customize it according to your company's specific needs. You might have company-wide tasks that are relevant to all new hires, like introducing them to teams, setting up their workspace, or providing access to internal systems. However, there might also be role-specific tasks each new hire must complete. By tailoring the template to suit both universal and unique tasks, you ensure no step is overlooked. Remember, it's not just about listing tasks, it's about clarity and accessibility. Take advantage of ClickUp's features to add descriptions, attach necessary documents, set priorities, and assign due dates. These details will give your new hires the guidance they need, reducing confusion and easing their transition. One of the benefits of using ClickUp is the ability to assign tasks to specific individuals. As part of the onboarding process, you can allocate tasks to different departments or managers responsible for each new hire. This way, everyone involved in the onboarding process will know exactly what is expected. Utilize the notification system in ClickUp to make sure team members are informed of their responsibilities and any changes along the way. As you start using ClickUp for onboarding, gather feedback from both new hires and internal teams to continuously refine and improve the process. This feedback loop will help you identify areas for enhancement, ensuring future new hires have an even better onboarding experience. By carefully curating your onboarding process with ClickUp, you can create a seamless, supportive journey for your new employees, enabling them to become productive and comfortable more quickly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create an effective onboarding system with ClickUp.